Introducing the Baseus A3 15,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner, the ultimate cleaning solution for your vehicle, offering powerful suction and unparalleled convenience. This mini wireless portable vacuum cleaner is equipped with innovative features to ensure a thorough clean every time. Features: high suction force, long battery life, with a turbocharged motor boasting a suction force of 15,000 pascals, and for 2,000 mAh high-performance batteries, this vacuum cleaner offers exceptional cleaning power and up to 45 minutes of battery life on a single charge. Cordless Use, high suction force, featuring an 80,000 RPM brushless motor and turbocharged metal blades. This cordless vacuum cleaner delivers superior suction performance, effortlessly removing soot, hair, and residues from your car interior. Small body, big power. Despite its compact size, the Baseus A3 car vacuum cleaner packs a punch, with a slim body measuring just 56.5 mm in diameter. Its 4 high-performance batteries ensure long-lasting power for extended cleaning sessions. 2 gears suction mode. Choose between 2 suction modes to suit your cleaning needs. The first gear mode offers a suction force of about 10,000 pascals, lasting approximately 50 minutes, while the second mode provides 15,000 pascals for deep cleaning. Automatic change of suction force. Equipped with a built-in airflow sensing unit, this vacuum cleaner automatically adjusts the suction force when it detects debris, ensuring a smart and efficient clean. A practical light for dark corners. Long press the power button to activate the LED light, illuminating dark corners and gaps in your car for thorough cleaning, even in low light conditions. 2-in-1 suction nozzle and blowpipe. The dual-use nozzle allows for faster and more convenient cleaning. The flat mouth is perfect for crevices, while the bristle brush mouth effectively cleans blankets and upholstery. Above industry standard for premium quality, with KC, CE, and RoHS certifications, you can trust in the safety and quality of this vacuum cleaner, ensuring peace of mind for you and your property. Smart Chip 9 Safety Protection. The integrated Smart Chip provides 9 layers of safety protection, including overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, overpower, overdischarge, overcharge, and 75 degrees high temperature resistance. Dual filtration system, air and dirt separation. The HEPA filter offers highly efficient dust removal, capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns in diameter, while the cyclonic separator ensures easy assembly and disassembly of the 70 ml large capacity dust bin. A metallic body matches the interior better. The CNC anodizing process gives the vacuum cleaner a sleek metallic finish, complementing your car's interior for a seamless look. Fine details for greater convenience. Features such as the blue light battery indicator, support for QC 3.0 fast charging, and washable HEPA filter enhance the user experience, making cleaning a breeze. Instructions for use. Ensure the vacuum cleaner is fully charged before first use. Press the power button to activate level 1 suction, and press again for level 2. Triple press the power button to turn off the cleaner. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to activate the light, and long press again to turn it off. Rotate the dust cup to remove and empty the dust box. Clean and reassemble the vacuum cleaner for convenient storage until the next use. With its powerful suction, innovative features, and user-friendly design, the Baseus A3 15,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner redefines the standards of car cleaning, ensuring a pristine interior with minimal effort. Say goodbye to dust and debris. Experience the ultimate cleaning performance with Baseus.